Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Today, our focus is on the explanations of quantitative and qualitative analysis, which are two different ways sociologists analyze research data. Let's start with quantitative research and analysis. Quantitative research is about numbers. It looks for patterns in things that can be counted, measured, or put into statistics. An example is a survey or questionnaire with multiple choice questions. Another example is government data about unemployment, or how often teenagers use social media, or how many children live in single-parent households. Sociologists conduct quantitative research and use quantitative statistical analysis when they ask how many or how often or what's the percentage. It's like saying out of 1,000 people, 65% say they feel lonely at work. Qualitative research and analysis is about stories and meaning. Instead of numbers, researchers use words to describe research analysis, findings, and conclusions. An example are interviews, open-ended questions, or observing how people behave in a social setting. Research questions like, what is it like to feel excluded at work? Or why do some people feel unsafe walking alone at night? It's not about attempting to measure something, rather it's about understanding and extracting meaning. Both quantitative and qualitative methods are equally important research and analysis, because they get at answering questions in different ways. Let's explore some examples here. Quantitative research includes questions such as, how many dates do people go on before they enter a relationship? How many use dating apps? Qualitative research includes questions such as, why does a first date feel like after divorce? Or how do people describe emotional connections? Quantitative research shows trends. Qualitative research shows meaning. If you want to know how often people get ghosted after job interviews, that's quantitative. But if you want to understand how they felt when it happened, that's qualitative. Quantitative analysis uses statistics to identify patterns and reads like a math book. Qualitative analysis uses the researcher's own narrative and reads like an essay. Students often ask if sociologists can use both quantitative and qualitative research, and the answer is yes. This is called mixed research methods and provides social scientists with a more in-depth understanding of their research topics. However, mixed research and analysis takes more time, resources, and funding since it's more involved. Understanding that research and data analysis involves both statistics and narratives, we are more likely to notice what's missing from data, strengths, and challenges. Just because numbers show one finding, that does not mean that nothing is being left out and vice versa. We can think critically by asking, where did this information come from, and whose voice is missing? And this makes sociology fascinating, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.